Video 3, how solar works for your home. Now that we've covered the ground equipment, let's go over how everything works. Your solar panels produce electricity when the sun is shining. The solar electricity flows through the system to your home, batteries, and grid depending on your home's real-time consumption and operational mode you've selected inside your application, and the state of charge of your batteries. This concept is referred to as power flow. Think of electricity like water flowing down the easiest path. When your solar panels are producing energy, that energy is used directly to power your home first. So if you're running appliances such as your AC, solar energy will go to power it right away. When the solar panels are producing more electricity than your home needs, the surplus solar energy will charge your batteries until they reach 100% state of charge. Then it will be exported to the grid. Again, this depends on the operational mode you selected inside your application. On the flip side, if your home needs more power than what your panels are producing, it will pull energy first from your batteries and supplement the power needed from the grid. Keep in mind, each solar setup can operate a little differently based on its design, configuration, and operational mode selected. We'll dive into more details in our other videos.